Hello, you know who I am. I'm cooking with Mark. Cooking with Mark. What we're making today is cheesy potatoes. I'm calling them farewell to the end of Game of Thrones. They're my season finale Game of Thrones fattening potatoes. And they have meat in them because I like meat. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching my potatoes. See ya. See you later. Take it easy. Have a good one. Thank you. See ya. Hope you like my potatoes. Bye. What's up, people? What's going on, people? It's Cooking with Mark. We're going to do something in the oven today. These are my Game of Thrones season finale potatoes. But anyway, this is going to be in the oven. This is 2 large onions cut up and 6 jalapeno peppers, pretty decent size jalapeno peppers cut up in a greased pan. That's what's in there so far. Next thing we're going to put in here is some hash brown potatoes. These country style hash brown is Giant Eagle brand. You can use Ore-Ida if you want, but I'm going to put some of them in there, and I'll tell you more about that in a second. Now what we have in this pan is 2 bags of hash brown frozen potatoes, 2 large onions chopped up, and about 6 large jalapeno peppers. Want it in an oil, a pan sprayed, throw it right in there. Pan sprayed cooking spray pan. I sprayed the pan down real good and then put my ingredients in the pan. Next in the pan goes 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. If you're making one batch, this is a big batch, you're going to use 1 bag of frozen potatoes, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, 1 onion, and a couple jalapenos if you want them. So you would just split it in half. But anyway, I'm going to show you some more. Next, going in with these potatoes here, Game of Thrones season finale, fattening, delicious potatoes. Cooking with Mark, 2 sticks of butter. If you're making one recipe, or just, one of the recipes itself. I can't talk today. I don't know what's wrong with me. Anyway, you're going to use 1 stick of butter, 1 bag of frozen hash browns, 1 onion, 3 or 4 jalapenos. So it'd be 1 stick of butter, 1 hash brown, 1 onion, 1 can of cream of chicken soup. I said it all. It's a mouthful. Yep, these aren't keto friendly. They're not healthy by any means. They're fattening and delicious. Today's Sunday, and I'm making fattening and delicious in the oven. Now these take a while to cook. They could take like up to 70 minutes. So I usually put them in for an hour, check them. I don't cover them. Make sure we get all that delicious, good, fattening, heart attack potato butter in there. Set that aside. Next, you're going to use 4 cups, roughly 4 cups of shredded cheddar. Doesn't have to be exact. You can use more if you like lots of cheese. You can use less if you like a little cheese. Jalapeno, onion, cream of chicken soup, butter, cheddar cheese, or whatever kind of cheese you like. We're going to mix this up. And then the last thing I put in here was about 6 strips of bacon cooked in the oven, not until it's completely overcooked, but until it's slight crispy. I didn't want it black or soggy. So anyway, we got bacon, cheese, jalapeno, onion, cream of chicken soup, butter, and the hash brown potatoes. Did I miss anything? I think I got it all. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the oven at 350. We're going to put it on for 60 minutes in the middle of the oven. We're not going to cover it. Once it starts cooking, you want to stir it up as good as you can. But once it starts cooking, if it seems like you need to stir it again because the chicken soup or whatever is not evenly distributed through the potatoes, you can go ahead and stir it. Like once you check it at that 50-60 minute point there, you can stir it if you want one last time. Then see how done it is. You want it to be bubbly and kind of starting to get brownish on top. And if you want, and I do it, I cover this with another layer of shredded cheddar over the top. Not a lot, just a little. And there you have it. Game of Thrones, cheesy, delicious season finale, fattening, really bad for you potatoes. Cook them with Mark. I hope you like them, and I hope you try them. If you don't like the ingredients in there, obviously you can omit whatever you want. To make one batch, you're going to use 1 bag of shredded potatoes, 1 large onion, jalapenos if you want, about 3 of them, 1 stick of butter, 1 can of chicken Campbell soup, and about 2 cups of cheese. 2 to 3, whatever. You like a lot of cheese, more, you like less cheese, that's okay too. Salt and pepper to taste. Add what you want, take out what you want. I'll show these to you when you're done. When they're done. Thanks for watching. Cooking with Mark. See ya. Forgot about one thing I forgot about these potatoes. That I'm gonna go ahead and put it in now. They've been in for about 17 minutes. But a cup of sour cream. I'm gonna put a cup of sour cream in here. If you're doing just a normal batch, you're gonna use a half cup of sour cream. A double batch is 2 cups of sour cream. I'm gonna go ahead and stir it in now. It's gonna be okay. It's not gonna hurt it, but I'm sorry. I apologize. Cooking with Mark. Potatoes, cheesy, yummy, fattening, delicious. I won't say it again. GOT season finale potatoes. See you later. There they go in the oven at 350 for 50. We're going to set it for 55 minutes, the timer. Then we're going to look at them. Then we're probably going to have to cook it some more. I've made these at times, and sometimes they take as many as 65, 70 minutes. This is a new pan that I bought because of being a darker pan, and the way they're in that pan, what it's made out of, they may cook faster, they may cook slower. We'll see you in a bit. Cooking with Mark. You guys are going to tell me I've never watched Game of Thrones, never watched a single episode. That's okay. You can call them whatever you want. Call them whatever kind of potato you want. Call them, I hate Game of Thrones potatoes. I don't care. They're going to be delicious. Delicious potatoes. Thanks for watching, guys. I know I beat Game of Thrones with a dead horse, but I'm a little excited here about the new Game of Thrones thing. If you never watched it, check it out. If it's not your cup of tea, that's cool. Go watch Grease and Grease 2 again for the 18th time. I'm just kidding. See you guys later. Hey guys, one other thing I wanted to ask you. Anybody try the new Coke? Coke Orange Vanilla? I haven't tried it yet. Orange Vanilla Coca-Cola. Anybody try it? If you guys did try it, I'm recording myself, so I'm doing it in the mirror so you can, it's easier. But if you didn't try this, I need you to try it. Tell me what you think about it. I'm going to try some now, and I'll tell you what I think about it. Here we are with the Coke Orange Vanilla. Coke Orange Vanilla. Yum. I'm going to try it. Smack your lips. It tastes better if you smack your lips. Not bad. Not too bad. Would I buy it again? Probably. I like Coke Zero personally. Coca-Cola Zero. But this stuff ain't too bad. Try it. Coca-Cola. Game of Thrones season finale. I know, you hate Game of Thrones. I know it. Anyway, you guys, thanks for watching. Have a good night. See you. I don't know what to look at. The Coke, the camera, the mirror. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you later.